story? Well, a group of Navy wives is turning their downtime into a direct marketing business. Because they move around so much following their husbands, many Navy wives find it hard to hold a job. So our next guest decided to put her passion for fashion to work. Joining us now is Lisa Diaz, who is the founder of Homecoming Trunk Shows. And we also have Heidi Wyman, who is the cultural director, and Heidi Charles, who is the creative director for Homecoming Trunk Shows. Welcome to the show, ladies. It's good to have you here. Okay, Lisa, I'm going to start with you. Why did you decide to start a business like this up, and what kind of things do you sell?
Well, we started it so that we could provide job options for women like myself who are Navy spouses, and we move around a lot, and it's really tough on your resume.
Oh, they spelled our name wrong.
3 years. So I did my first trunk show as a fundraiser for a homecoming party. And they loved it. It was a lot of fun. That was 9 years ago, and it branched over the years, got bigger, and this last year we launched it so that women all over the country could actually have the same opportunity of the flexibility and extra income for our families by doing this.
So there are women all across the country that have their own homecoming trunk shows, and they sell all this kind of beautiful things, which you gave me this necklace, and I love it.
It looks great.
Doesn't it look good?
It's beautiful.
It looks so good.
That's called the Grace.
The Grace. Okay, so you can get this at the homecoming. I know you have a website too, in case you want to get some of this beautiful jewelry, but you don't know where a party's at. You can go to the website, right?
Absolutely. We ship all over the country.
Now, Heidi, you are the cultural director, Navy wife or military wife, I imagine. What do you do?
I guess sometimes they call me the ambassador of pixie dust. My job is to kind of make sure that we stay true to why we started this company. We sell these gorgeous, gorgeous items, but I think we're all founded in really giving back to our communities, supporting each other when our husbands deploy. And so my job is making sure we have a lot of fun with what we're doing, and also I like your job too.
I like the sound of that.
Really good at it.
Yeah, we actually have a bunch of really impressive Christmas sweaters going on at the office right now because it's the first of the month. So we try and keep it really fun there. And then making sure that, like I said, when we go and spread what is so special with military spouses into everybody else, kind of circles of friends, we keep that rolling.
Yeah, and I've got to ask about these bracelets. Heidi, do you want to tell me about these bracelets?
Sure.
Heidi?
This is one of the pieces. This is our warrior band. This is actually the original one. One of my corpsmen made 4 years ago, and our corpsmen that are on the ground with the troops in Afghanistan and Iraq make these out of parachute cord.
Wow.
And they finish them with an actual button off of their uniforms, and they're a sign of support for the troops.
And then if people buy these, where does the money go?
Every bit of the money that goes from them goes right back into both the military people that are making them for us, and then also to Wounded Warriors. And I think we've raised, what, like $5,000? $5,000 for Wounded Warriors already?
That's so great.
So it's a great, great piece that we do.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, Heidi, let me ask you, because you're also a Heidi. You're the creative director. Tell us about some of the stuff that you brought with you today.
Oh, we have this awesome Marin handbag. It's been very popular. It's kind of, we've had it in red and in mustard, and it's just has flown off our shelves. We have this beautiful, fun, fluffy little scarf here that keeps you warm and cozy during these cold days. Our hats are, this adorable camo with such a detail of flowers. So.
And look at this one. I love the red one. So are you, Heidi, in charge of picking out the styles, the designs, because you're the creative director?
Actually, Lisa does most of that. I do the layouts for the web page and the materials for the stylist and
all of our branding.
So Lisa, you must not only be very business smart, but you also have a great fashion sense. Where do you get all this stuff? This is beautiful.
We actually source all over the country, actually all over the world. Like this bracelet here is a bracelet that I love, and it's handmade in Guatemala by a little group of Mayan Indian women who started their business in order to benefit their community, and they've opened a couple schools, a healthcare clinic, and the first preschool in their whole region with the money they're earning. And it's a completely women-run business, and it's completely hand-done with check glass, crystals and beads with magnetic clasp. We have necklaces that match too. So we really source all over, and we try to dig out those meaningful pieces like this.
So when people buy this stuff, it's going back to a good cause.
It is.
When people buy this, I shouldn't call it stuff. It's absolutely beautiful jewelry is what it is. This is really great. And the bracelets, and then you have purses. Okay, let me ask you about the website where people, or how can people be invited to a trunk show? Maybe they want to start their own trunk show. Where do we get more information?
We have a website. It's shophts.com, and they can go to our website, and they can call our home office. The number's on the website. We can link them up with a stylist in their area. We literally have 85 all across the country.
Now I have that number up on the screen there.
Perfect.
Is that your number?
That's our home office
Okay,
number,
good.
so
Okay.
they can call there, and we can direct them to a show that's in their area.
Okay.
Again, we have them all over the country, and we also are growing. We just hit 85 stylists, and
Great.
so they can sign up and have their own homecoming trunk show business. And it's $199 to start, and that gives them the basics to start and go out
and all
show
the great
themselves.
stuff, access to all the great
Yeah.
clothing and jewelry. Well, doesn't that make you feel good to know that an idea that you started has become and grown to what it is right now?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It really is. It's just neat to see, and it's beautiful that I really feel like the best part of the military life is our sisters that we have, and that is spreading out to other women. And if we can, affect our communities that way, that's huge.
It is. And look good at the same time. Thank you very much, ladies, for being here. We surely appreciate it. Thanks again. And thank you for my necklace. You're welcome. Still to come here in Central Valley today, the local school vying for thousands